Okay, hey, what's going on guys? James here, and before we dive into today's video, I just want to say this Seiko Monster is for sale on kibblewatches.co.uk, and the reason I'm saying it at the start is because I'm going to say some very good things about this Seiko because I think it's truly great, and I don't want people to watch this and go, he's got this watch for sale on his website, this is a bit dodgy here. So I'm going to say straight up now, this watch, yes, is for sale on the website, but I still want to make this video because I think it's truly brilliant. As you guys know, I've been really trying to hold back on making like reviews and any videos like that on watches on the website because I don't want it to be seen as like a conflict of interest or me saying positive things, because a lot of the watches I sell, I try and get good watches, so I will have positive things to say about them. But I don't want people to misconstrue that as me trying to just get the sale, which is definitely not the case. But if you guys want to see more reviews of the beautiful watches I have on the website, let me know down in the comments, and or let me know the way you'd like to see it done, because obviously I don't want to annoy people with the content, so let me know. If we time travel back to September 2016, I did the Battle of Affordable Divers, where I compared the Seiko Monster to the SKX009. That video is slowly becoming one of my most viewed videos. I even made a poll, which I left running. Now at a total of 230 votes, it is split right down the middle. Even though that is an old video, and most of my old videos are truly terrible, that is one I would say go check out. I'll leave a link in the description. But today we'll be taking a look at the Seiko Monster SZSC003. This is a third generation Monster with the upgraded 6R15 movement over the 4R36, which was in the second generation. The movement has a power reserve of up to 50 hours, hacks and hand winds. It's perfect. This model is a rare one and growingly becoming harder and harder to find, and due to that the grey market price is constantly increasing. I posted this one on Instagram and most of the people had never even seen this one before. This Monster has a beautiful and subtle blue dial with the straight baton markers rather than the teeth ones of the second generation. You have the famous rocket hands and a date at 3 o'clock, which actually has a cyclops. Not to everyone's taste, but I really don't mind it. The date wheel is actually black with white text. I absolutely love that they did that, and I feel it gives the watch more character. It has the steel bezel, which can be nicely operated with a finger around 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock. Positioned at 4 o'clock is the crown. I much prefer a crown being at 3, but it definitely works being at 4 here. The watch comes on a bracelet, which usually when you hear that and it's a Seiko, you don't have the highest of expectations. But the Monster bracelet is in a different league. It feels incredible both on and off the wrist. The only thing that is a shame is the stamped clasp. If they'd done a milled clasp, it would literally be an 11 out of 10 for sure. This Monster, in my opinion, is the best looking one. Feels incredible on the wrist, and the blue dial just amazes me every time I look at it. If you're in the market for a Monster and don't mind paying a little bit more than the orange Monster is currently going for, I'd say grab this watch whilst it's here. Who knows which direction the market is going to go for these Monsters. Already we're seeing some of them fetch stupid prices on eBay, so I suspect onwards and upwards. Let me know in the comments what you think of this Monster and which Monster is your favourite. And if you want to check out more videos on Seiko Monsters, I will leave a link to Random Rob's channel down in the description. That guy has done so many videos on Seiko Monsters, and if I'm not mistaken, he even has a couple of videos on this exact Monster, so go check them out. And thank you all very, very much for watching, and I'll see you all next time.